Okay, you may have heard of the 5 Platonic solids. I call these the 5 Platonic shapes: circle, square, rectangle, heart, and star. And I've been able to achieve some pretty impressive magic using these shapes, okay? Now, if you were here, I would have you tell me how to stack these pairs. And let me point out also, in the description below, I'll add links to PDF copies of these shapes, so that if you're interested in actually creating a set like this, you'll be able to just print off these shapes and then cut them out, and you're ready to go. Okay, so you want circles first. Okay, star, rectangle, heart, and squares. Okay. Now, since we both saw the cards, why don't we go ahead and give it it's called an over-under, or you could do an under-over. Either one would be just fine. Now, we're going to deal out the cards into 2 piles with random stacking decided by you. You want left on right? Now, a note to you as the performer, you can deal out the cards into 2 piles in this fashion with random stacking decided by the spectator. You can do this as many times as they would like. Okay, you truly can. Maybe they want left on right. Now, once they're content with that mixing, all we need to do is perform another over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. Okay? And then you have the spectator just randomly cut, and that's true, they can cut anywhere, complete the cut. The card that they have brought to the top is set out. Okay? From here, we're going to use a magical shuffle. It's called the Klondike Shuffle. I'm taking the top and bottom cards off as 1. That leaves me with a solitary card, and it matches the one that they freely cut to. Oh, unbelievable. Okay, well, let's mix the cards further with random stacking decided by the spectator. Maybe they want right on left. And you can do 2 of these or 2 million of these. Want left on right this time. Maybe just one more time. So you don't fall asleep here. Maybe right on left. Okay, very good. Then we follow that up with an over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay, you're free to cut anywhere that you like. Complete the cut. As before, that brings just 1 card to the top. Okay, now the Klondike Shuffle will do the real magic. We'll take the top and bottom cards off as 1, leaves us with a solitary card, and it is the matching mate. How in the world did we do that? Deal out the cards into 2 piles, as always. Random stacking decided by the spectator. Do 1 of these or 1 million of these dealings, that's fine. When the spectator's content, perform an over, under, over, under, over. Have them cut anywhere they would like. That brings a new card to the top. Set it down. The Klondike Shuffle will finish the magic from there. It did indeed. Okay, and then we'll do a final dealing out. You want left on right? Okay. Left on right again. One more? Okay. Right on left. That's just fine. Then we'll finish with our over, under, over. You cut anywhere that you like, maybe right there. That brings a new card to the top. It's the circle. We'll perform the Klondike Shuffle, which will bring 1 card to the top, and that will give us our 5 matching Platonic shapes. So if you do everything that I did here, this will work for you every single time. And when I say you can do as many dealing outs into 2 piles as you like, you truly, truly can. That's not a lie or a fib, and then the spectator's free to choose stacking left on right or right on left. That is a free choice. And then you might want to give thought, even though I'll have PDFs of these images in the description below that you could print out if you would like, you might want to think through, how could you perform this using a packet of ordinary cards, like maybe the red aces, the red 2s, the red 3s, 4s, and 5s. Try it out for yourself, and you'll see that you're able to accomplish an analogous outcome despite the random choices made by the spectator that very much affects the ordering of the cards at any stage in the performance. So have fun with this. This will work every time, and it's based on principles taught on the Absolute Math Magic channel. So please take a look at that channel for other videos that may be of interest to you. So thank you for watching.